January 9th marked the beginning of World Language Week here at DGS. World Language Week helps to promote the World Language Department and celebrate different cultures around the world.
So it's important for the school to celebrate World Language Week because it's just like celebrating our global community and honoring other cultures and people within our building that may speak the foreign languages, and really just to draw attention to the fact that you can do this. It's easy, it's very accessible to learn a foreign language, to start in on it, and we think everybody should do it. So we just want to raise awareness about that and get more and more people involved in our program.
One thing that all DGS students can look out for during World Language Week are signs outside of teachers' classrooms about a time when knowing a foreign language was helpful or a time that they wish they knew a foreign language. Students will also hear the announcements spoken in 4 different languages throughout the week. Students in foreign language classes will be participating in trivia games and bell ringers throughout the week about French, German, and Spanish culture. Some reasons that students take world language classes are to learn about a different culture or connect with family and friends.
It just opens like a lot of learning possibilities for many people. Or if you're like me and I take Spanish, I really don't know the language that well, and it allows me to connect closer with my cultures so I can know the language better, so I can talk to family members more or just people in general with the language.
This is Emma Fudas with the Blueprint News Network. Happy World Language Week, Mustangs!